So in this video we will talk about sets in Python. Python also includes a data type for sets. A set is an unordered collection with no duplicate elements. Basic use include membership testing and eliminating duplicate entries. Set object also support mathematical operation like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Curly brackets or the set function can be used to create sets, not the value an empty set you have to use set, not curly bracket. The latter creates an empty dictionary, a data structure that we discuss in the next section. Here's a brief of demonstration. Similarly to list compressions, set compressions are also supported. So, what about dictionaries? Another useful data type built into Python is a dictionary. You can see more about dictionary of mapping type dict. Dictionaries are something found in other languages as associate memories or associative arrays, unlike sequences which indexed by arranging of numbers. Dictionaries are indexed by keys, which can be any immutable type. String numbers can always be keys. Tuples can be used as keys if they contain only strings, numbers, or tuples. If a tuple contains any mutable object, either directly or indirectly, it cannot be used as a key. You can use a list as keys, since a list can be modified in place using index assignments, slice assignment, or method like append and extend. We already used this method in our previous lessons. It is the best to think of a dictionary as a set of key value pairs with requirements that the keys are unique. With one dictionary, pair of braces creates an empty dictionary, placing a comma-separated list of key. We already worked with the same practice. Value pairs within the braces adds initial key value pairs to the dictionary. This is also the way dictionaries are written on output. The main operation on a dictionary are storing a value with some key and extracting the value given the key. It is also possible to declare a key double dot value pair with del if you store using a key that is already in use. The old value associated with the key is forgotten. It is an error to extract a value using a non-existent key. Performing list D on a dictionary returns a list of all the keys used in dictionary in insertion order. If you want to sort it, just use sorted instead. To check whether a single key is in the dictionary, use the in keyword. Here's a small example using dictionary. You can write it in your compiler and test. The dict constructor builds dictionaries directly from sequences of key value pairs. In addition, compilers can be used to create dictionaries from arbitrary key and value expressions. When the keys are simple string, it is sometimes easier to specify pair using keyword arguments. What about looping techniques? When looping sort dictionaries, the key corresponding value can be retrieved at the same time using the items method. When looping sort a sequence, the position index corresponding value can be retrieved at the same time using the enumerate function. To loop over two or more sequences at the same time, the entries can be paired with again a zip function. To loop over a sequence in reverse, first specify the sequence in a forward direction and then call the reversed function. To loop over a sequence in sorted order, use the sorted function, which returns a new sorted list while leaving the source untouched. It is sometimes tempting to change a list while you are looping over it. However, it's often simpler and safer to create a new list instead. Also, we here imported our new library mass. You might note this library. You also must should to save it because it's a very useful library that are able in Python. So it's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next.